Hey everyone, welcome back to another episode of Simply Crystal Nails. In today's video, I'm going to be showing you all how to get these nude, gory, bloody nails that I feel like are great for Halloween. So I was inspired by Tabitha Nails, and I'll leave her information down in the description box below. But I was inspired by some Halloween nails that she done last year where she used a nude base and she kind of decorated the nails with red gel polish to make it look like red blood. So ever since I saw that, I really wanted to redo them and throw my little own twist on. So I'm starting the nails off by just putting down my base coat. And this base coat is from Glam and Glits. It's called Barefoot, I believe. And I'll leave that information down in the description box. But it's part of their new collection and has a little bit of shimmer in it. Originally, this was the one that I did not want to use because I felt like, shimmer is just so pretty. And I don't want to use a pretty nude color for Halloween. And unfortunately, it wasn't until, I put down that first bead did I notice it was the nude color that I have with shimmer. So instead of starting over, I just went with it. And honestly, a little bit of foreshadowing. It didn't come out as bad as I thought it would. But yeah, this color has a little bit of shimmer to it. Basically, what I'm doing right now is just putting down the base coat of that nude color. And I'm going to apply that base coat or that base acrylic color to all of the nails. And once I'm done, I'll move on to the next step. So I'll just leave you all with this and then I'll come back. So now I'm just going in with some clear acrylic and I'm capping off all of the nails. Okay, so I've gone ahead and filed and prepped the nails off camera, and I'll be using this red Venalisa gel to do most of the work. So I'm starting off using these red stripping tapes, and I'm gonna just place those vertically along the pinky nail to almost give sort of like a circus effect, because while this look was inspired by Tabitha, I'm putting my little own twist on, and so my gory nails are inspired by like a killer circus clown. So hopefully you understand. Also too, please don't pay my hands any mind. They are working hands, and unfortunately I haven't had time to do a manicure on myself, because I find whenever I do my nails and then I try to work on nails on these forms, I end up destroying my nails. So that's why you've been seeing me wear the rubber gloves, because my nails are just extremely nasty, and I'm a nail biter. This particular part I wasn't able to throw on that stripping tape with gloves, so I had to take them off, and unfortunately you get to see my nasty gory nails as well. So now I'm just taking a little bit of that Venalisa gel nail polish, the red polish, and I'm placing a little tip, almost like a French tip, on the edge of the nail to define that point. It's almost like a backwards V or triangle, whatever you want to call it. But I'm putting that on the tip of the nail to give it a more claw-like feel, and I'm just filling that in. So really want to make sure that that V at the edge of the nail is predominant and sharp. So yeah, I'm just gonna pop that under the light and let it cure, and then I'm going back in with my matte gel polish, and I'm placing that on the bed of the nail, and I'm curing that. I'm actually going to just go in and place matte top coat on all of the nails and then cure them. Now I'm taking my dotting tool and I'm placing dots along the nail, because I want to have some blood drips coming down the nail, and then like a little pool of blood at the bottom. I don't know what was going on with me at this time, but my hand was so shaky. Maybe it was because I had too much coffee, because I think I had like 3 cups this day, and I just could not get the line straight. But this was my first attempt on camera. I ended up scrapping this one and then doing it off camera, but I just wanted to leave this part in the video to give you an idea of how to draw those blood splatters. This look is very, very popular, so I mean, I don't really need to go into details, but you get the gist. So I was adding more gel polish to the resin board. The gel polish just started flying everywhere, and I really liked the effect that that was giving. So they gave me an idea to just take my spider gel and kind of let it run all over the nail. And for me, this looked more like the way blood would run, rather than me, you know, strategically placing that on the nail. So I decided to just throw that all over the nail to give the effect of blood splatter, and I feel like it worked out great. Now I'm taking my stamping plate and a little bit of stamping gel, and I believe these are all from Born Pretty. And there is a little hand on there that I feel like goes great with this look, because it has like blood dripping down and everything, you see. And I'm just gonna place that over the nail. So I attempted to place it over the thumbnail because I wanted that to be the predominant thing for that nail, and I just could not get it right. I don't know what it was, but I couldn't get it right. I did it like 3 or 4 times, and eventually when I got it right, I just settled with one hand, and I kind of used some of that leftover stamping polish to finish off that hand. So this is the finished look, and I really hope that you enjoyed this video. If you have, don't forget to press that thumbs up button, and if you're watching and you're not subscribed, take a little moment and press that subscribe button, and while you're at it, turn on the notification bells so that you can be notified every time I post a new video. And thank you all again for joining me. Have a great day. Bye.